Welcome to our channel Universe 1. Learn something new every day. Before moving ahead, I request you to please subscribe to our channel to see this type of videos daily. And never forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notification whenever we upload a new video. In this video, we are going to make a project of fading an LED using Arduino. The accessories we will be requiring for fading an LED project are as follows. Arduino Uno with USB cable, an LED, two male-to-male jumper wires, a mini breadboard. Now let's assemble it up. The long leg of the LED will be connected to the positive power supply and the shorter ones will be connected to the ground or GND pin. In a breadboard, this very line is connected internally and these two lines are not connected internally. These horizontal are connected by a plate internally in a breadboard, but these two are not connected. Just keep in mind. Now let's connect the jumper wires with the breadboard and connect it with Arduino. We are connecting the positive terminal with pin number 9. Pin number 9 is a PWM pin. That means it will provide a variable voltage. And we will be grounding the other pin to GND. As you can see, we have assembled it. Just have a look on it. Now I'll be quickly uploading the code using the cable. Let's now start programming for fading an LED. First of all, open up your Arduino software, click on File and New. I have already copied a program for fading an LED, so I'm just going to paste it and explain it to you. The program link will be given below in the description, so do check it out. As you can see, I have used pin number 9 because of the reason it can supply a variable voltage according to our need. It is a PWM pin. In other words, it is an analog pin which has a potential to supply varying voltage according to our use. At first, we have set brightness to 0, so to start the LED from its minimum light emitting state, and we initialize the fade amount to 5. You may vary the fade amount to get various other effects. We then declare the pin number 9 as the output pin, which is actually going to power the LED up. Coming to the void loop, analog write means that the pin 9 voltage can be varied, and at first starting from the brightest state, that is brightness has been initialized at first is equals to 0. Then in the next line brightness will again be redefined, that is brightness equals to brightness minus red amount. So it will again change. And then the if condition will be executed. If the condition inside it is satisfied, and fed amount will be reinitialized, and then there will be a delay for 30 milliseconds, and again repeated number of times this loop will continue, that is the while loop. You may also vary the delay as well as the fade amount to various other numbers to get other effects. Then click on file and save the file. Give a name. Click on save. After the saving has been complete, then click on the upload and just upload the code. Let's now move to the camera for seeing the project what we have done. I am powering up the Arduino using an adapter, and you can see the project is working fine. You may see the fading effect is just awesome, and you may change the fade amount to various other numbers to get interesting fading amount. So just change those and upload it again, and you can get a very interesting effects. If this video helped you, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to increase the YouTube family, and hit the bell to get instant notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Feel free to communicate with us in the comment section and share in your social platform. Stay blessed, stay happy, and have a wonderful life ahead. Wish to see you in the next video. Have a great day.